Good morning, this is Mission Control Houston. Thank you for joining us for today's ISS update this Tuesday, November 15th. Aboard the orbiting complex, Station Commander Mike Fossum and Flight Engineers Satoshi Furukawa and Sergei Volkov are in their final week, plus a couple of days, before aboard the orbiting complex as the Expedition 29 crew. Today, they complete their 161st consecutive day in space with a little more than a week left before they return to Earth next week on November 21st. Meanwhile, Expedition 29 crew members Anton Shkaplerov, Anatoly Ivanishin, and Dan Burbank are on their way to the International Space Station. The Soyuz TMA-22 spacecraft carrying the new trio launched from Baikonur Cosmodrome, Kazakhstan at 10:14 p.m. Central Time on Sunday. Burbank, Shkaplerov, and Ivanishin will join the crew aboard the station after it docks to the complex late tonight and hatches open early tomorrow morning. The Soyuz TMA-22 continues to fly nominally. It had a third course correction burn late last night, which went as expected. The Soyuz will dock to the Poisk Mini research module at 11:33 p.m. Central Time tonight. Live coverage of tonight's docking will begin at 11 p.m. Central Time, 12 a.m. Eastern Time. Shkaplerov, Ivanishin, and Burbank are scheduled to live and work aboard the orbiting laboratory until March of next year. Early this morning, Commander Mike Fossum had performed some maintenance to the onboard water recovery system. Fossum also completed a camera checkout of the binary colloidal alloy experiment known as BCAT-6 that looks at advances in manufacturing materials at the nanoscale. Flight engineer Satoshi Furukawa conducted scheduled maintenance of the compound-specific analyzer combustion products, while flight engineer Sergei Volkov tended to a Russian experiment known as Cascade. Volkov also did some work in the Russian segment to prepare for tonight's Soyuz docking. Fossum and Furukawa also spent some time early this morning packing in preparation of their departure next week. Expedition 29 will end when Fossum, Furukawa, and Volkov undock from the Rassvet Mini Research Module inside the Soyuz TMA-02M on November 21st. The outgoing trio will land in the steppe of Kazakhstan at 8:25 p.m. Central Time. This is Mission Control Houston.